The last resource that I'm going to kind of run through is just this box of facts over here. Have you ever seen these? These are from Orgo. I'm going to pick this one up. These are fantastic. So if you have just a little bit of money and you're like, I need to buy something for some fact fluency practice, this is going to be your best bet in my opinion. These kits, this was probably maybe about $200 or so when you purchase the book that goes with it. But what it has inside, and there's one for addition and subtraction, and then there's one for multiplication and division. When you look inside, it has these great strategy cards. So this one, for example, is a double strategy card. And so when you look at it, it's got all this. So you can bend it over and see how they match each other. Say, okay, show them this. What kind of array is this? What does this, how would you represent it using numbers? So I'm trying to go from the representational to the abstract. Look at this picture and tell me what numbers go with it, right? And so they can look and go, okay, well, it's either 4 groups of 3 or it's 3 groups of 4. You know, so you can now think, well, how can I get 3 groups of 2, 2 groups of 3? What's 3 times 8? So it goes through and it has these doubling cards. So once I know 2 times 3, and I didn't fold this one. Once I know 2 times 3, can I figure out what 4 times 3 is? Yeah, because it's just the double of it. Does that make sense? So they can visually see what's happening. Just telling them about the doubling strategy, again, doesn't really make sense to a kid. So you've got to do it, show it, and then allow them to do it, okay? These are great. It's got lots of different things. It has multiplication facts. I love the missing number cards. And the book that comes with this actually has, you know, the list of how they want you to do these particular strategies, okay? So it'll tell you in what order. But these you take and it comes with, should I have these ready? It comes with these little covers, and what you do is these just slide on, slide off. What a great warm-up as well. And so they just literally slide over the number, and you can move them around. You know, if you didn't want it to just be what's the product, what's the missing factor. So it's got lots of different things, and when you have a chance to look, this is definitely one that you want to look at on your list.